I didn't put any style in it. At least I tried not to. Oh, wait a minute now. Stop playing.
Jesus, it get worse than that. I don't know.
So when you have an intro to a song, you can do what you want. You don't have to stand there, get into it, ride with it. Let's work, roll. Oh. Yes. Okay, I'll turn around. Roll with it, y'all. Feel that music, ride it. She's working, ride, work. No style. 1, 2, it's gonna go left, right, left, sailor step, coaster step, half turn, and roll. That's the dance, no style. You guys want me to face you when I do the style or turn around and face you?
No, do the style in front of us and then we do it again.
Yeah? Work. Work.